Hey guys, welcome back to another Genshin Impact video, and now we are going to resume the mission of the Lost Tears called Go to the Eclipse Tribe at Downpour Gorge. So, we must make haste. Running. I'm running. No. I'm tired. No. Don't kill me. Ooh. I'm gonna take these. And now, we must head forth to the mission. Whoa, shit. Whoa. What was that? Open the chest to obtain storm terrors. Ooh. Oh. Shit. Oh, fuck.
No one escapes my sight.
And for some reason, I've upgraded all my heroes to level 20. Oh, fuck.
Not so hard.
Okay. Oh, shit. There's like so many. There's so many enemies. Oh my god. No, this can't end well. Fuck. There we go. Oh. What the hell is going on? Oh, you wanna go? Here, have a bomb. Boom. So many enemies. I can't keep up. Oh, no. Oh, bitch. There we go. Come on, explode. No. Why won't you explode?
I'll race you there.
Alright,
No escape.
take this. Oh god, no. No! Ow!
I'll race
Bitch.
you.
Okay, that's taken care of. Now to fight you. Oh, dick move. Wait, can I just... Oh, fuck. Come on, asshole. I know you got this. Fire, ice, or water. Ugh. Come on. Go, Lisa.
Come a little closer. Come a little closer.
Alright, we gotta break this shit. Boom. Oh, you did not just do that, do you? Alright, come on. I'm gonna break the little shit out of your shield. Let's go, bitch. Let's go, bitch. Oh, you're almost dead. Yes! But first, let me... Wait. But first... Hey! Why did you light this up? Whoa. I don't know what to... Hey! What the fuck are you doing? Alright, let's just grab this chest. Ooh. So many items. Okay, so. Alright, grab the chest. Go. Alright, wonder what's inside. Another teardrop crystal. That's right. Got the treasure. Okay, so we're going to the wine dinery to talk to Jean. Alright, here we go. So, alright, Jean. What's this about? Okay, Jean, what do you want me to talk about?
Woohoo! Devolin Protection Squad, assemble! Let's put our crystals together. Oh, the color of these crystals looks muddy.
Wait, what?
Devolin, you're going through so much pain. Let's start purifying these crystals first. Please.
Alright.
It is hard to believe such a thing is possible until you've seen it with your own eyes.
Interesting. It's like filtering wine. The process is refreshing.
I think we should have enough tears now. So next week, use the crystals on the Holy Lyre like last time.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna do Alright, drop. And then, what's gonna happen if we have all those tears?
It seems completely different from before.
The Lyre's animal power seems fully restored. We should be able to use it now. It's all thanks to you.
Now, where should we summon Storm Terror? It must be away from the city, else there will be casualties should we fail.
Devolin?
Perhaps here at the winery?
If the winery was destroyed,
Wait,
it's
what?
not something I couldn't eventually fix. But I'd still rather not go through the hassle.
You want to summon a dragon in here?
The wind that blows at sea or in high places should be able to carry a bard's words far away. It's never going to work if the air is too dry or suffocating.
Paimon understands. Sea or high places, right? Then the best location to play the lyre would be...
Let's say... a cliff?
If you go east from Starfell Lake, there are mountains south of the beach.
Oh, you mean that beach we were on when you told Paimon about your sister?
Yes?
If you head to where the cliff juts out, that place is known as Star Snatch Cliff. What do you think, Bard? Meets the requirements, no?
Let me think. Star Snatch Cliff. All right, let's do it there.
Very well. Then let's meet at Star Snatch Cliff when we're ready. Please don't be late.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. I didn't mean to...
Okay, so we're... going to the cliff. Okay, so we used one of these teleporters to go to the Star Snatch Cliff. Wait. I think I'm going the wrong way. Well, looks like I have to climb my way up here. This is one of the highest cliffs in the game so far. Okay, so climbing was a bad idea, so I took one of the other teleporters to go over here instead. Easy peasy. Wonder what's over here. Never mind. Did a wisp. Okay, it's a long hills, but we're almost there. Come on, come on, go, 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 go. I'm tired. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Take a breath. Run, run. Alright, here we are.
Everyone is finally here.
Yep, here we are.
What a view.
Lovely for a fated reunion, isn't it?
Fated reunion?
Well, we must be prepared for a fight.
Regardless of the outcome,
What?
things finally seem to be taking a turn for the better. Mondstadt has really been going through so much recently.
Huh. In the end, the solution to our problem was as simple as a traveler in a song. I suppose the Knights of Favonius may have played a part in it too.
Oh, we get it, Master D. Luke. Everyone, please step aside. I, the best wandering bard of the mortal world, shall begin my performance with the Holy Lyre.
Oh, we're in for a show. We're summoning Storm Terror, the dragon. Uh-oh. Here it is.
What has been done cannot be undone.
It's him.
Then why do I see sadness in your eyes? Sadness that speaks of your yearning for this song.
What's wrong with him?
Communicating. Huh?
Oh,
No, don't get bored! Do not be fooled by him, dear dragon. He left you to rot alone. Now, listen to me! To deceive you once more.
Beatles.
Barbitos?
Mondstadt has already turned its back on you.
Oh shit.
You were planning this all along, happy slave.
Oh fuck.
The time has come for the dragon to serve its true master. While you beware your magnetic shadows, watch the world tremble with fear.
Dvalin.
This sucks.
Barbe, Venti, please be careful.
You've known my true identity for some time now, haven't you, Jean? Though, I thank you for continuing to use the name Venti.
How's the Holy Lyre? Can it still be played, or does it need to be repaired?
Unfortunately, I think it's beyond repair.
Oh god. I know what to choose. Oh my god, oh my god. We can't just let the Abyss Mage get away.
You're right. If we don't fight the evil at its source, then we can't save Dvalin at all.
In which case, I shall call upon Outrider Amber to track it down.
No need.
Why is that?
I eradicated one not long ago, in one of the Four Winds temples.
What? When?
If you want to track those monsters down, then I'll seek answers from my contacts. I've got other means for getting the job done.
Diluc. Though he dislikes the Knights of Favonius, he protects Mondstadt in his own way.
Oh?
So he's a
Why does our
vigilante.
little Paimon sound so doting all of a sudden?
Wait for my word. I'll be sure to let the Abyss Order know that their blatant disregard for Mondstadt will not go unpunished.
So that mage got away. My sister. What? Wait.
Your Highness, your humble servant returns. When your homeland returns to this world, we shall revel in its glory.
Oh, do I have to fight my sister in this game? This is... Okay, we've completed the second pro act. Song of the Dragon. Take on the challenges, the domain of fortune to earn precious. This sucks. Alright, I'm gonna do a lot of questing, so... Be right back. Okay. Who's this? XIANGLING? Okay, we're doing this mission. Whoa.
Shh! Keep it down! I'm hunting! I've always heard about the wide range of ingredients you can find in Mondstadt, and it looks like it's true!
Are you a hunter or adventurer? Let's say, are you an adventurer?
No, I'm a chef! A chef on a mission to find rare and exotic ingredients from all corners of the world. My name's XIANGLING. I'm from Liyue Harbor. And hello, my name's Paimon.
Oh, thanks.
Paimon! Why are you looking at me like that? What an exotic creature. Is it edible?
We're friends.
What a bummer.
Just not
Can't
food.
eat it if it's your friend. You seem like good friends. I have a good friend too, called Goba.
Goba?
Isn't that the name of a Liyue snack? Both the snack and my friend have a special place in my heart. Anyway, can you do some hunting for me? There's lots of game around here that would be amazing to cook with. I can't catch anything to save my life, and I don't want to miss out. Sounds like a bit of an ordeal. Don't be like that. Come on, I'll whip you up a tasty snack later. Ooh, you had me a tasty snack. Don't worry, we're the bestest hunters ever.
Wait, whose side are you on?
Don't worry. worry about it. Your friend has already given me a response. I don't care how it's done, so long as you bring me back some raw meat.
Ooh.
Great! Then I'll leave you to it.
Mondstadt gastronomy. Alright, let's go hunt for some meat. Alright, that was easy. Here's some meat. Sorry, pig or boar.
Wowee! This is great! Some of it I'll shallow fry, some of it I'll deep fry with mushrooms. Ooh, and I wonder how well it goes with slime condensate.
She,
Yay! You have finally come around to my food preferences! Sorry. I got all excited thinking about new recipes. As promised, a tasty snack. Go on, try it. And tell me what you think. Are we your food testers now?
ooh. Is this Gordon Ramsay reference?
Oh gosh, this is delicious. Can you tell us how to make it? Sure. The only thing is I haven't written down the recipe yet. I got it. I'll make another one now so you can watch. I'm sure you'll pick it up straight away. This seems pretty hard to make. It'll take more than that to learn how to make it. And we don't have a frying pan or any condiments. Come on, it's simple. We can fry on a slab of stone and cook using some boar fat. Build a stove from rocks. Use dry grass for kindling, twigs for firewood. Sweet flowers will do for sugar. As for salt, I found a load of rock salt in a cave the other day. There's still plenty left.
Boom.
I just can't help myself when there's a chance to try something new. But I can't exactly bring my whole kitchen with me every time I leave the house either. Give me a second while I get everything ready.
Hey! What do you think?
Whoa.
This is the boar's natural habitat. You can't hunt them here. You'll send them all running. We hunters know better than to kill the chicken to get at the egg.
Oh, I get it.
Are we busted?
The freshest, best quality meat comes from free-range boars that grow up in the environment nature intended for them. If they all ran off, it would be a major blow to gastronomy. No, to all mankind. I'm sorry. I got excited and didn't think of the impact we'd have.
You should apologize to Draff. As our leader, he always stresses the importance of respecting the rules of the hunt. I'm afraid he is very upset right now.
What are we going to do?
I made a mistake, and I should go and apologize.
Don't worry, girl.
Thanks, guys. I'll cook up some more tasty snacks for you once this is over. Okay, don't worry. Paimon will remember even if you forget. Draff ought to be in Springvale. Let's go!
Alright, now this is another mission we're doing. Alright, to Springfield. I mean, Vale. Why? Alright. So this Kung Fu chick dragged me here to hunt food so I can eat her food. Alright, Alright, here we are. Bum 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 bum. Alright, here we are.
You must be Xiangling.
Sorry, Mr. Draff. This was all my fault.
I heard the whole story, and now that you're here in person,
Ooh, he's gonna let her have it.
Oh, hell no.
please help me promote my meat.
Huh?
Sorry if I was a little brash. Let me explain. Springvale has built its reputation on top quality meat products, but this reputation is so far limited to Mondstadt. When I heard that the great maestro Xiangling herself was in Mondstadt, I asked Alan to send you over.
Maestro?
Haven't you heard? She's the one behind Wan Min Restaurant, that one-of-a-kind folk restaurant in Liyue Harbor. Her unique take on cooking ingredients is behind some of the best-loved dishes in all of Liyue. They are very highly rated by travelers, too.
You're too kind. I just try to cook things that are cheap and cheerful.
With a top-notch chef cooking top-notch cuisine with top-notch meat from Springvale, our reputation would spread far and wide.
I don't know. I only ever think about how to make tasty dishes. I never limit myself to specific ingredients, and I don't know the first thing about promoting anything.
You use boar meat all the time anyway, surely. I can't see what the issue is.
The issue is... what would you think if I added a bit of slime condensate?
That's...
Gross, but tasty.
I mean, couldn't you add something a bit more normal?
There's no such thing as normal ingredients to me. You can turn anything into a delicacy if you cook it in the right way. I will not stand for having my creativity shackled by what ingredients I can and can't use. Food cooked like that is destined to be boring. Period.
That escalated quickly.
Well, since you feel so strongly about it, forget it. But it really is a pity.
You know, we did come to apologize. Couldn't you be a little more flexible? It's one thing to apologize, but it's another thing entirely to change the way I approach cooking. What's that smell? It's gorgeous.
It's coming from over here, because I can tell. Alright, talk to Xiangling at the source of the aroma.
Hello? May I have a taste of your delicious cooking?
Sorry, I've taken all the orders I can for the next few days. The earliest I could put you down for is 7 days from now. Is that okay?
Wow, it must be delicious if it's that popular. Yeah, good point. Why does Draft want XIANGLING to help when Springvale already has this lady?
Maybe he feels that Mondstadt cuisine can't compete with that of Tevat's biggest business hub, Luya Harbor. But I disagree. I don't think my cooking is at all inferior to anyone else's.
Well then, show me what you got. Maybe I could give you some feedback.
Sorry, but customer feedback like, "Oh, that tasted good," is no use to me. If I wanted feedback, I would ask a professional chef. Hang on. Are you XIANGLING?
That's me.
It's really you! Well, I guess you do know what you're doing when it comes to cooking meat then. As it happens, I have one of today's prime cuts remaining. So tell me, how would you cook this?
That depends on the ratio of fat to meat. With this cut, I would probably roast it over a hot stone with a little salt, some Joyun chili, and Kingston flour.
Ginseng flour? But the melted fat would make the flavor of the flowers 10 times stronger than when eaten raw. It would overpower everything.
I know, that's why it's a garnish. I would never marinate the meat in it. I've tried it before. If you baste the petals in oil and then cook them with the right heat and duration, it gets rid of the bitterness completely and leaves you with a lovely crispy topping. Then throw in some Joyun chilies grown at a high altitude where the low humidity and varying temperatures lends them a unique dry heat. The petals absorb the saltiness from the sea salt, the chili spice, and the umami of the tender, freshly grilled steak, while also adding a floral aftertaste.
That's pure overkill. You're going all out on the trimmings and doing no justice to the meat whatsoever. Who wants to eat a roast when you can taste everything except the roast?
Whoa! Stop arguing!
Let's see here. I don't think they can hear anyone but themselves. I guess this is our culinary clash of the titans.
Well, there's only one surefire way out of a cooking dispute. I declare a cook-off!
Suits me. If
Oh,
you
crap.
can't beat my cooking, it'll show that Draft was clearly wrong about you.
All right. But if I win, you have to use my winning dish to promote Springvale.
And if you lose, you have to add my winning dish to the Wan Min menu, with a caption saying, "This special addition to the Wan Min menu is generously provided by Chef Brooke of Springvale, meat expert."
It's a deal. I'm off to get ingredients. I will see you all. Wait!
Where are you going?
Let's try and catch up.
Well, I Okay, where's she? There she is.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, Xingling, let's do this.
Get them! Nice and spicy. We need to get going before they expire. Yeesh. She's quite the fighter. Seems foraging for ingredients takes more than just luck.
Okay, there we go.
That's right.
Take this. Come on. Oh, you did not just do that to a owl. You did not do that to a woman. Hey. Took the little owl. Oh. Here. What? Thought you were supposed to be distracted. You have a windshield. Not allowed to break it. Bitch.
Nice and spicy.
Bitch. Oh. There's water. Ow. Have some water. Come on, bitch. Take this water. Let me light up this torch. Alright. Shoot your little ass down. Alright, gonna melt this thing. Melt the ice. Come here. Strike your ass down. Come on. Oh, this one. And now we are back here. So
I'll race you there.
I learned this mistake on my old recording so far. Too bad it got taken down. Fire. Oh, okay, let's just pretend I did not do that. Okay, maybe I should stop doing this then. Okay, Xingling. You're the star of the show. Let's go kick some ass. Oh. Alright. You think you could beat a tiger hill? I don't know who she is. Promise. I'm gonna beat all those assholes down. Come here, bitch. Oh, there's more? Come on, assholes. I know you want this. The fuck off me, bitch. Yeah, spear strike. Heal your ass. Promise I'll beat your ass someday. Come on, you want some of this?
Yikes! Look over there! The icicles up ahead are falling!
Oh crap.
Let's be careful not to get hit. It will definitely hurt.
Oh. Oh no. Close one. Okay. Okay, do we made it? Oh. shit. Come on. What is even going on? Oh. Yes. Alright. Door resurrection activated. First. Come on, you gotta eat your food. Okay. Let's use Amber. Fire. Boom. Wait, what?
Right hand into the fire. Aha! This must be it. Oh, it's huge.
Wait, what? Why am I supposed to do
This
this?
is perfect. Come to me, my little treasure.
What? Hold on. Wait. Hold on a sec. Boom. Boom. Wait a minute. Did I get really close? Wait, I don't understand.
Right hand into the fire.
Wait, what am I supposed to do with this? Do I have to open the gate with something, or...? I have to at least open the gate. Like what? Wait. What? Oh, that's how you do it. That makes sense. Alright. Okay, it's a boss.
My ingredients are attacking me.
Now
Let's
it's
put him in his place.
shit. Alright, let's see. What's this? A Syro Regis Vine. Oh, fuck. Alright, that's the weak point.
Right hand into the fire.
Oh, come on.
Let it rip.
Boom. Come on. We can take this monster down. We can take this asshole down.
Right hand into the fire.
Yes, got him.
Empress up, grab your sign, cook it up, dinner time. Even better if it's paired with a bit of swine. Lighten up a little. What in the world could bring more joy than finding rare ingredients? Wait, there's something else here too. This must be the boar that Hunter was chasing. But Paimon's never seen one with this pattern before. Where have I seen this before? Aha! It was in the Historia Naturalis of Liyue. This pattern is
Liyue?
unmistakable. It belongs to a breed of boar that went extinct 300 years ago. Wow! How is this one still alive after so long? Could be. I competition because its meat was so highly prized. Condensate of jumbo cryo slime and extinct boar. Not one but two priceless treasures.
This will be our winning
Right.
ticket.
Now let's get back to Springvale.
Did it. Okay, we made it. We made it. Now we have to finish this quest to reach Adventure Rank 15. Oh, come on. It's raining outside. Alright,
Hunters, hold on!
come on. Alright, here we are.
Are you sure this is Springvale?
Yes, for the millionth time, yes. But I don't know any of the people you're looking for.
That is not possible. They all live in Springvale. They are my neighbors and friends.
This is strange. What is going on?
I think I see what's going on here.
What is it?
The hunters also survived for 300 years ago, or he's talking about Springvale a long, long time in the past.
How long? Surely not hundreds of years. Does that really make sense? Oh, like the way that you keep food fresh.
Still, it's hard to believe.
But it doesn't seem like there's any other sensible explanation.
Okay, so what's your...
Olaf.
Olaf? Oh, I'm sure I've seen that on my family tree. I can't remember which generation it was from, but it was definitely on there.
So, a great-great-great-great-grandfather, but with a whole lot more greats? What an unusual turn of events. Reunited at long last. Isn't that just amazing? Olaf, do you want to come and watch a cooking competition?
Ah, yes, that reminds me. Brooke told me about the competition, and I've set everything up at the venue. You should come with me.
Cooking showdown. Right. Let's see how this ends. Alright, where am I going? Dinner. Ooh, mushroom. Nom nom nom. Bum. Okay, come on. Yes. Here it is. Is this the cook-off?
We're ready to cook. Are you?
I was born ready. Oh, and Sigfria will be my assistant for the competition.
Then let the cooking commence. I will be your judge today. And don't worry, I may have known Brooke for longer, but I will remain entirely impartial.
Much appreciated. Well then, Traveler, Paimon, prepare! Wait, we're taking part in this too?
We're participating in the competition?
Of course! If Brooke has an assistant, you guys will have to be mine. I'll need you by my side when the going gets tough. Paimon doesn't remember applying for that job.
There's no backing out now.
Okay, Paimon will do it for the sake of the food.
Okay, help her with the cooking show. Alright.
Our first problem is ingredients. We need something special to dress up the steak, but I don't have anything suitable here. I've got it! Radish is what we need. Mashed or grated, it'll add a touch of freshness. And we can carve little flowers out of it as a garnish. 2 birds, 1 stone. Go find me a radish. There should be some in the area. Oh, and make sure you wash it because it's going straight into the dish. Let's wash the radish in the river.
Oh, this is a competition. Oh, shit.
Slimes! Scared the bejesus out of Paimon.
Ugh.
This is way too close to the venue. What if they stir up trouble during the competition?
Ugh.
I don't think we should risk it. Go get 'em!
Alright, come on. You're not winning the competition. Okay. Come on. Shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Wowie! Big and luscious! It's perfect! Thanks, you guys! Now, how about... Xiangling, look out! The pan's on fire! Oh no! It's gonna burn! It's gonna burn!
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap.
Get the fire under control! Without using water, though, or this dish is a goner!
Okay, what's the next one? Oh.
Bring the fire down! It's gonna burn to a crisp!
Crap. Cabbage.
Ugh! This is practically charcoal now! Oh, I'm gonna have to start from scratch. Also, I'm thinking our main is a little weak. We need to mix it up a bit. Make me a mushroom chicken skewer. And make sure it's got that ooh la la on the outside. Then hits you with the cha-ching in the middle.
Translate
Just make
that.
it taste friggin' awesome!
Frig. Okay, cook a chicken mushroom skewer. Oh, it's this one. Alright, we're almost winning.
You're a natural. The meat is on track, but we're aiming for perfection here, and I just think it lacks a certain what? A certain boom shakalaka. Yes, definitely needs some boom shakalaka, or perhaps a little shakalaka boom pow.
Again, how is this making sense
I
to you?
just mean it would be a waste of such amazing ingredients to just serve this as is. Let me see. What would be ideal is some kind of regional specialty. Regional specialty? Yes. Something that's native to this area but isn't often used in cooking. I don't care if it flies, crawls, or bounces. Even insects I can work with. Interesting choice.
Gross.
I'm sure I can make something of it. All right then.
Okay, here we go. Oh, we're winning. Ooh, there's some mushrooms. Okay, thank you, Bittleboard. Find suitable ingredients. Let's see here. Fuck. Shit, that's not what I want. Okay, we're almost winning. Our suitable ingredients. Let's see here. What about these? Okay.
Thanks, you guys. Now show me what you got.
I have a few cooking ingredients.
Do you really want to add that? It's a little... it'll be fine. This was an excellent find, guys. Now, if you'll excuse me, Chef Xiangling needs to concentrate. But I'll be sure to annoy you again if I need anything else.
That's
It
fine.
looks like Xiangling's main dish is almost done. Let's go and see.
Alright, let's check.
I almost forgot. Side dish. We need a side dish.
Allow
Are
me.
you sure it's no trouble? Here, take this. I just scrawled it down at the last minute. And here are all the ingredients you need. Is this the recipe for that snack you gave us earlier? Yes, with some minor
Ooh.
improvements so it uses up the leftover ingredients from Liyue. This is so complicated. How are we supposed to cook this with no experience? The technique doesn't matter. What matters is that you do it with passion. And that's what my father taught me. And you must be passionate about cooking if you've helped me this much already. I trust you guys. I know you'll nail this side dish.
Alright, leave it to me.
Confident. I like it. Come on, this is the final push.
Oh my god, it's like I've been stabbed through wood. Okay. Let's see here. Learn Jade Partials. It's this one. Time it right. Okay, now that we got that, and then we give this masterpiece to her.
They're so fragrant I could smell them coming a mile away. We're all set, and now to serve the meal. This competition is ours.
That's right. That's how Chef Gerber does it. Okay, talk to Draft and await results. Fuck. Sorry.
This was a fine feast. I have dined today like I have never dined before. Both chefs' dishes today were nothing short of exceptional. They were true masterpieces. And that is what makes this an extremely difficult decision. But this is a competition, and there can only be one winner. And that winner is...
Alright, I'm scared to press it. I wonder who that could be.
XIANGLING.
Whoopee! I win!
We did it, guys.
I thought I was sure to win with pork chops so fresh they were practically still grunting. But it turns out that's still no match for the taste of extinct boar.
Excuse me? Did you say this was cooked from extinct boar?
Yep, every last bit.
Whoa.
My goodness. A single mouthful must be worth 100,000 mora. The amount you'd make if you sold this could support every hunter in town for years to come.
The main thing is that you enjoyed eating it. I don't care about the mora. Anyway, now our judge has given his verdict. It's time for everyone else to eat too. I made plenty. Meanwhile, I want to try Brooke's dish.
This is absolutely delicious. I'll admit it, I was beaten by the best.
Losing is no fun, but it was worth it for the chance to eat such superb cooking. Please, Xiangling, I want some more. This is gorgeous too. Such a perfectly layered texture.
Why am I all wet?
Were it not for that exquisite boar and excellent side dish, it's hard to say if I still would have won. Paimon's turn to eat.
I will have a taste too. Oh my. This is the taste of Springvale. Or rather, it used to be. This is the last time
you okay?
I'll be able to taste the food of my era.
Hey now, cheer up. If you like the taste, I can always make you some more.
Really? But the boar, it's extinct.
The boar may be, but the taste isn't. I can simply recreate it using different ingredients. Putting a smile on customers' faces is what we chefs are called to do.
Thank you.
A good time was had by all. But everyone's gone now. Let's go and say goodbye to Xiangling.
Oh. Oh, we gotta say our goodbyes.
Thanks, you guys. Without your help, I don't know how it would have gone today. And without you, Paimon wouldn't have gotten to try so many new tasty snacks. Also wouldn't have gotten so full.
Where will you go now?
Not sure. I'll probably start heading back to Liyue. But I don't like to plan things too thoroughly. Who knows? Maybe you'll bump into me out in the wild again. Xiangling's gone from boom shakalaka to Hakuna Matata.
Is that a Lion King reference?
You are a gifted chef. You made an amazing batch of jade parcels. Come and visit me at the Wanmin restaurant sometime. I did promise I'd cook for you.
Ooh.
And if you want, I'll teach you how to cook some of my latest inventions too.
It's a deal.
It's a deal. See you again soon.
And that's the end of the chapter. The Zhangling chapter. Okay guys, I'm going to end this video here. I mean, this was a weird video to start and end, but anyways, I hope you all like it. So thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.